bunch of common area down here. We've got lots of spaces to study if you would like to. We've also got a ping pong table, which is very popular. If you want to bring your friends over and have a match, we'll be here to watch. We've also got a bunch of vending machines, late night snack, and if you want to come down, they're always open. And then here's just another section for studying or just coming down and sitting down with some friends. So here we are on level 21 of Darling House. This is our Sky Lounge. We've got 2 study pods here for you guys to use whenever you like. We've also got this seating area here. You can come up, watch a movie. So this is the eatery area. Through there is the buffet style. We've always got a bunch of different cuisine, always things to cater for however your diet requires. Yeah. So this one here is open outside of the hours of breakfast, lunch and dinner. So if you're up late studying, need a coffee to keep you going, this one's always open here for you guys. We've also got a seating area here. And now we're back at the Sky Bridge where we started. So that's the end of the Darling House tour. Hopefully we'll see you guys next semester. Stay with us.